Hey, so I'm Dan, the creator and inventor of the 60 Up Balance Board, and I wanted to show you very quickly the conversion kit and how to take the pre-2020 model and turn it into the current, simpler model. Now, if you order the conversion kit, what you'll get is you'll get one of these push-clip pin keys, which is used to simply and safely move the poles from the outside poles to the inside poles. The other thing that you'll get will be two new poles. You'll see they have the clips in them, which will allow you to have the much quicker change. And again, you'll have the removable handles in here as well that will allow you to take the pole and push them back together again. But before we do that, we have to convert the old board, or the original board as I like to call it, into a new modern board. To do that, you'll need to have a drill, just a regular whatever they're called, handheld drills. And then you'll need to have a 3/8 inch bit piece. So there's this one that you can use. I've also used this one. Now to help you, I wanted to do a real, not a studio setup, in my backyard a setup, where I'm gonna show you how to quickly convert the poles and the system into the new one. So looking at the old board, you remember you used to have the metal pins, and you also had the old poles in here. I'm just going to pull these out, and you'll see the old board where you used to have the pins to be able to push them and then secure them. So this is so simple to do. All you have to do is take, I'm going to use one of each. So I'm going to take this, put this very quickly into the drill bit. Now I take the board, I'm going to turn it sideways on, and all you have to do is take the drill bit, put it on the front hole, and you're only going to drill the front hole, not the back. So I take this, make sure it's turning the right direction, place this into the hole very quickly, and that's it, pretty much done. I just check the hole, make sure that it's clean. Now I'm going to show you really quickly the other adaptation that I used. This is more for drilling holes in wood, but again, it's sharp enough. So, oops. Take this, put that in there, tighten it up. Now I'm going to spin the board around. I'm just going to do 2 holes so I can keep this as simple as possible. Same thing, put the board between my knees, put it in here, slowly start it, and then I'm just going to drill through. There you go. This one's a little bit slower because it is made for wood, but again, the cutting edges go great. Just check that the holes are flush on both sides. If you have a little bit of a burr in there, you can pull it out, but at the same time, you can use a screwdriver just to smooth it out. Now, that's it. I take the board, and again, I'm just doing 2 holes. There's 4 holes in there. I'm just doing 2 holes for the speed of the setup. Now I take the new poles, and if you notice, with the clip key, I drop it in. I can use my finger to push it, and it's locked in. Or if you want to, you can go here, use the push clip key just to put it down, and just make sure it's lined up. And there it is. It's in place. So if you notice now, we have the 2 clips that are in there. Now I take the red clip key and place it in the front hole in the pocket. I know it's always there, so I can turn it out. Last step. I'm going to take the hooks off of the old poles, clip them on, 1, 2, and you are completely ready to go. So again, I wanted to show you real life, no studio setup. This is really how simple and easy it is to do, as long as you have a drill and a 3/8 drill bit and maybe a friend to help you do it. And that is the new 60 Up Balance Board. That's simple. Now I can step on, make sure you have a mat, but I'm ready to go with my new Setup Strong poles. Thanks so much for sharing that with me, and good luck setting up your new board if you got a board before December 31st, 2019. Good luck.